Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. If you are preparing for MCAER PGCET 2021 or ICAR JRF 2021, this video is more important for you. We are going to see processing and food engineering. MCQs are there, 25 MCQs. So first you will try to solve it, and after that we will see answers of each question. So first is I hope you have done well. The main purpose of this mock test is we are trying to solve 25 questions within 15 minutes. So each question get 35 seconds. So that's why I arranged the slides in that way. Each slide, next slide come after 35 seconds. So now let's see answers of that questions one by one. So first question was, drying refers to the removal of moisture until the moisture content of product is in equilibrium with surrounding air. So drying means moisture content of product should be equilibrium with surrounding air until removal of moisture. A curve representing moisture content relationship plotted for a constant moisture content is called isosphere. So there are few terms like having ISO, the system having equal volume ISO, system having equal pressure is called isobaric process, system having equal volume isochoric process. So isobar, isotherm, just go through once that terms. If 1 ton of grain having 25% moisture in wet basis is dried to 14% moisture wet basis, how much water has been removed from grain? The answer is 128 kg. So first you need to find out amount of dry matter. 1 ton of grain having 25% moisture content, you will find dry matter, and after that, which is that material is dried to 14% moisture, so you will get amount of water evaporated. The air velocity at which a particle remains in suspended state in a vertical pipe is called as terminal velocity. We have seen that terminal velocity is most important factor in sedimentation analysis. Means if we put a particle in pipe, vertical pipe, after that it velocity become constant. That velocity is known as terminal velocity. Various types of cleaning, grading and separation equipment are designed on the basis of physical properties of seeds. So we have seen that based on relative length, roundness, the cleaning, grading and separation equipments are designed, or seeds having high uh, flowing capacity like that. So that cleaning, grading and separation equipments are designed on basis of physical properties of seeds. When the bulk of grains is in motion, like discharge from bin and hopper, angle of internal friction is important. So mostly most of us get confused between angle of internal friction and angle of repose. So angle of repose, when we put grains on the ground in a pile, that angle made with horizontal is called angle of repose, and angle of internal friction which is nearly equal to angle of repose. So don't get confused in between them. The material which shows pure plastic behavior is called as scent vacant body. So you just go through book unit operations. In that book they have mentioned when the body is said to be Hookean body, Newtonian body, Stokes liquid and scent vacant body. So you just go through that book, refer that book. The amount of heat that must be added or removed from unit mass of substance to change its temperature by 1 degree Celsius is called as specific heat. So remember, specific means here we need to change its temperature by 1 degree Celsius, which is specific temperature. So how to remember this? So if they ask for change in temperature by 1 degree Celsius, then you go for specific heat. In bucket elevator, spacing between two successive buckets is 2 to 3 times the projected width of bucket. So for this you need to refer unit operation by K.M. Sahaya. You just go through that bucket elevator, screw conveyor, their capacity, and which are parameters used to find capacity. So there is chance they will ask question on that. Screw conveyor requires relatively high power and is more susceptible to wear than expect one of the following material handling equipment. Means according to which screw conveyor require relatively high power. So belt conveyor, bucket conveyor and pneumatic conveyor are require relatively high power. So the answer is pulley conveyor. For transportation of grain by belt conveyor, the speed of belt should not exceed 3.50 meter per second. The bulk post harvest losses occur during storage. Yes, there is one line in book that they have mentioned only 2/3 part of grain harvested which is uh, which is useful, and 1/3 is uh, post harvest losses during storage. So in that case they ask percentage. Maybe washing, screening, hand picking are methods of cleaning. In washing we just wash whatever we have. In screening we screen that smaller particles uh, falls down and the greater one stay on that screen. And hand picking method is simple, means we are picking stones from grains like that. So they are methods of cleaning. The minimum clear space between the edges of opening in the screen surface is called aperture. So we know that a screening surface is flat surface having holes in that, and they are asking the minimum clear space between the edges of opening in the screening surface is called aperture. Remember that. In wet milling of tur, the grains are soaked in water and the soaked pulses are thoroughly mixed within wet red earth. For this method, you just refer unit operation book by K.M. Sahaya. There are uh, four or five types. In size reduction process, fineness modulus indicates uniformity of grind in resultant product. By using this we can able to find the average size of particle. operation not performed by modern rice mill is mixing with red earth. Means separation in modern rice mill we done separation, whitening and grading, and mixing with red earth is process related with pulses. Capacity of rectangular bin to store 1 ton of wheat will be 1.6 cubic meter. So there are some storage structures, Bukhari, Kothar, and you need to just go through that values, capacity of that bin. So if they ask any question related to that, you can able to answer it. The solids in dehydration or evaporation process and nitrogen in combustion process are called tie materials. We know that catalyst increase the speed of reaction, and concentration means uh, concentration we know, waste material which is waste, and the answer is tie material. Pasteurization of milk is performed by heating every particle of milk to 71 degrees Celsius at least 15 seconds. Means in pasteurization there are two types, we know that STST means high temperature short time, and low temperature long time. In that low temperature the temperature is 62 degree, and at least for 30 minutes pasteurization. Indirect, indirect heating by saturated steam is the most common method of sterilization. And in sterilization we killed all bacteria which is present in liquid. Sterilization is done at temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. In sharp freezing, foods are placed in cold rooms maintained at -15 to -28 degrees Celsius. So there are types of freezing. So for which type, what temperature is there, you just go through that. Heat exchanger goes under many names except one of the following. The answer is food pumps. Means heat exchanger is means also known as boilers, cookers, and ovens. But food pump is somewhat different. What quantity of brine is required to remove 2560 kilocalorie from liquid if brine has specific heat of 0. 0.7 and its temperature is changed from -15 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius? So here we can find this quantity by using MCP delta T. We want to find M. Cp is given, specific heat is 0. 0.7, delta T we can find by 10 minus -15. So you will get answer. Which one of the following is not contact equilibrium separation process? Means in distillation there is contact. Contact is there in distillation, in crystallization also, and in membrane separation also. So in the process of concentration is not contact equilibrium separation process. So that's it. Thank you for watching our video. If you need any improvement or any suggestions, please put it in comment box. Thank you.